Vitamin C is claimed to be the superhero ingredient for our bodies and our skin. However, how effective is vitamin C in skincare, and does it live up to the hype? Harvard Health Publishing claims vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it fights harmful free radicals that come in contact with your skin from external sources like air pollution or from inside the body as a result of normal processes like metabolism. Harvard Health Publishing also states vitamin C may help slow early skin aging, prevent sun damage, and improve the appearance of wrinkles, dark spots, and acne. Vitamin C can help promote an even brighter complexion with consistent use. One article from Healthline claims vitamin C use has been shown to impede melanin production, and by inhibiting melanin production, vitamin C can fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is linked to collagen production, affecting your skin's elasticity. A loss of elasticity can create sagging skin or a more aged appearance. Healthline states excessive exposure to oxidant stress via pollutants or ultraviolet irradiation is associated with depleted vitamin C levels in the skin. Vitamin C can help promote a more balanced complexion and slowly fade discoloration or scarring. While vitamin C is generally well tolerated, it will be wise to conduct a patch test. A patch test will determine if you're allergic to your particular vitamin C product or if your skin can adjust to it without issues. Harvard Health Publishing claims to use vitamin C during your morning skincare routine. Use a gentle cleanser and apply a few drops of vitamin C serum to the face and neck. After applying your vitamin C serum, you'll want to add a moisturizer and SPF. Most vitamin C serums pair well with sunscreen, offering complete protection against the sun's harmful rays. However, remember to reapply SPF every few hours. For a healthier body and healthier skin, try adding the superhero vitamin C to your daily routine.